question. So first you have calculated those all A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A, and then you have you verified. First question, any doubt? Okay, we go with second one. Okay, so start doing second one now. Second one, start doing it in your notebook. So here universal set is given. Universal set 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is our universal set. P set is given. Set P equal to
Video is
5.
paused.
It's paused. No, it's fine.
No.
It's not paused. Is video fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If it is paused, just switch it
Sir,
off once
in
and
first question we have to do half time.
ask again.
Sir, in first question we have to do all the parts. A,
Yes,
B, C,
first
D,
you
F,
have to
type.
find.
F.
Yes, those you have to verify. Those you have to verify. Okay. So now second one. 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay. Next is Q. 5, 6, 10. Then we have R. 5, 9. Okay. Now we have to find P dash, Q dash, R dash, P minus Q. We'll be doing first these four. Okay. So first you have to find P dash. These are given. So P dash is how we can find P dash. From the user set we will take, yes, universal set U minus P. So in the universal set we will remove the elements of P, and that will be our P dash. So 5 is present in P, so 5 we won't take. 6 we won't take. 7 we won't take. 8. No, 9 is present in universal set. 10 is not present in P. 10 is not present in P. So 8 and 10. This is our P dash. Now calculate Q dash. U minus Q. Here we will remove 5, 6, 10 from the universal set. So 5 removed, 6 removed, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Next is R dash. We have to remove 5 and 9 from the universal set. 5 removed, remaining are 5, 6, remaining are 6, 7, 8, 10. 6, 7, 8, 10. Anyone have doubt till now? Now we have to calculate P minus Q. P minus Q. So in P set we have to remove the elements which are present in Q. So 5 we have to remove. 6 we have to remove. 7 is not present in Q, so 7. 9 is not present in
Then
Q.
start recording.
Recording haven't started. It's recording.
Yes, sir. You started recording.
Yes, recording is there. Okay. So P minus Q, 7 and 9. These are the elements in P which are not present in Q. We got P minus Q. These are the elements in P set which are not present in Q. This is clear. So we have calculated these all. Now we have to calculate Q union R. So we'll put all the elements of Q and R in the cup. P intersection R. P minus. First we'll be solving the bracket Q union R. Then P minus Q intersection R. Okay. This we have to calculate. This one. So first we'll be calculating Q union R. So we'll be taking the elements Q and R. These 5. Now 6, 9, 10. This is P union R. This is Q union R. 5, 6, 9, 10. Q union R or R union Q. Both are same. Q union R or R into Q. R union Q. Both are same because sets follow commutative law. Sets follow commutative law. That is Q union R is same as R union Q. They are same. Sets follow commutative law. Okay.
Sir, can you write some dark?
Dark, bigger I can write. P intersection
Okay, sir.
R. P intersection R. Common elements of P and R. 5 is common. 5. 6 is not common. 7 is not common. 9 is common. 5 and 9. P intersection R we got. Q intersection Q union R we got. So see here. P intersection R is same as R intersection P. Commutative law. Always remember this one. Okay, now we have to calculate P minus Q union R. P minus Q union R. Q union R we have already calculated. This one is our Q union R. Now we'll be subtracting these elements from P. So the elements which are not present in this will be writing. Okay. So take 5 present, so we won't be writing 5. 6 we won't be writing. 7 is not present here. 7. 9 is present. Okay. Only 7. P minus Q union R. We have removed the elements in set P which are present in Q union R. We have removed the elements in set P which are present in Q union R. Understood this one? So Q union R 5, 6, 9, 10. P 5, 6, 7, 9. So remove the elements. 5 is removed, 6 is removed, 9 is removed, remaining is only 7. This is our answer. Understood this one? Okay, do this one now. Do it yourself. It is P minus, okay, Q intersection. This time we'll be removing 5 and 9. So how much, which are the elements? 5 is removed and 9 is removed. So remaining are 6 and 7. Understood this one? Remaining are 6 and 7. This is clear? Okay, third one, do it yourself. Third one. Third one will be verifying as well. Okay. Okay, third one you do as homework. Okay. Third one do as homework. Let's do fourth one. Okay. Start fourth one. Third one is easy. You can do as homework. Okay. So before that, let's discuss for third and fourth. Let's discuss something. Okay. Okay. If I'm writing, bigger we have to write. A union A. What I'll be getting? A union A. What set I'll be getting? A. A intersection A. What I'll be getting?
A.
A. This is our first law. It is called as idempotent law. This is our idempotent law. Like the laws we have discussed on numbers. Okay. Or A union null set. A union null set, what will be getting?
Null set.
You
No, sir.
take
A.
A intersection null set. What will be getting?
Null set. Null
It is
set.
Nulls.
null set. It is null set. Okay. Second, commutative law. A union B. It is same as like we did on rational numbers. A union B is same as B
B union A.
union A. It is same. Or A intersection B. It is same as B intersection A. Like we did 5 plus 3. It is same as 3 plus 5. Commutative law. Whether we add 3 to 5 or 5 to 3, answer will be same. This is our commutative law. Next is associative law. Third is associative law. So, A union, B union C. So first we will be finding B union C, then taking its union with A. This is same as A union B, union C. So whether first we calculate B union C and then its union with A, or first we calculate A union B and then its union with C, we'll be getting both will be same. We can do either way. Or A intersection B intersection C. So first we'll be solving this one, then intersection with A is same as A intersection B intersection C. Understood this one? This is our associative law. Idempotent law, commutative law, associative law. Okay. Fourth, we'll be discussing which law? Distributive law. A union, B intersection. First, we calculating B intersection C. Then union with A. Or we can do it like this. A union B first. And here we'll be calculating A union C first. And then taking their intersection. Then taking their intersection. So here union is distributed. Here we are distributed union or intersection. We are distributed union. Union is distributed C here. Here first we are going to B intersection C, then union with here. We have distributed here, once here, once here. We distributed them. We distributed union here and here. Distributed them. There are only one. Here two unions we are taking. So we distributed them. Understood this one? Or A intersection B union C. It can be written as, now we are distributing
A
intersection.
intersection B
A
union to
intersection B union A intersection B. So here we are distributing intersection. Here we distributed, here we distributed. This is clear? Next, there is one more law, De Morgan's law.
Sir, in first question we have to verify the answer also.
Yes, you have to verify. So calculate left hand side, calculate right hand side. See, a fourth question will be doing this one. Verification will be doing fourth question. You will understand that. Okay. Next is De Morgan's law. Next is De Morgan's law. So here, for example, we are having first intersection or union. A union B will be calculated first. Okay. A union B. So first we are calculating A union B, then taking its complement. Okay. It can be done as, see, first we can calculate complement of A. See what we are doing this side, left hand side. First we are calculating A union B, we are adding A union B, then taking their complement, then taking complement. And here on the right hand side, what are doing? First we are calculating complement of A dash, complement of B dash. First will be calculating complement of A, complement of B will be calculating, then taking their intersection. So see, a union has changed to intersection. Understood this one? Or if it is written like this, A intersection B, whole dash, it will be how much? So first we are taking intersection of A and B, then taking the complement. Okay, or we can do it like this. First we can calculate complement of A, then we calculate complement of B, then taking their union. The answer will be same. Understood this one? The answers will be same. Now we'll be solving questions over them. Okay. So fourth question, start doing. It's given in set builder form. So write it in roster form or tabular form. Okay. Fourth question. Let the universal set be U such that U equal to X, such that X belongs to whole numbers. So two conditions are given. X has to be whole number and X is less than 9. So what will be our universal set?
Your voice is cutting in between.
Yes.
Sir, voice is cutting in between sometime.
Is voice cutting?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay,
It's
just
clear.
switch it off once.
Sir, he is having network problem.
Okay. Okay, I'll be little bit slow. Okay, so first we are writing universal set. X belongs to whole number and X is less than 9. So you will be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have to stop here. These are the elements of universal set. Okay. Now also A equal to factors of 6. So A set will be factors of 6. Which are the factors of 6? We'll start from 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of 6. Now B is equal to factors of 8. Which are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. We got all the three sets in roster form. Now we can solve. First find A dash. A dash is how much? A dash is how much? We have to remove 1, 2, 3, 6 from universal set. 0, 3 removed, 4, 5, 7, 8. This is our A dash. Understood this one? Now B dash we have to find. B dash is how much? 0. 1 is removed, 2 is removed, 3 will be there, 4 is removed, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we have to find A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. We have to take intersection of these two sets. We already found A dash and B dash. Now we have to find their intersection. The intersection will be how much? Which will be the elements? 0, 3 won't be there, 4 won't be there, 5, 7. Okay. Now A dash union B dash. The union 0, 3, 4, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is there any mistake? This is clear? Any doubt till now?
Sir, again explain.
Which one? Again, explain what always.
Sir, the distributive law, sir, can you again explain, sir, distributive law, sir? I not understood. Distributive law.
Okay, distributive law, it will be clear when we solve the question now. Okay. And whenever, see here, I always told you, whenever you have doubt, ask immediately. Okay. It's gone for the time being. So we'll be discussing this question. We'll be solving this question by distributive law. You'll understand then. Okay. So these are clear. Up to now, these are clear. Okay. Now,
Sir, explain fourth.
fourth. A dash union B dash.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See here what we are doing. A dash union B dash. How we can find A dash union B dash? So first you have to find the complement of A. We call calculated complement of A. B dash, we have to find complement of B first. We got B dash as well. We got both A dash and B dash. Okay. Now we have to take their union. Take their union. Union means that all the elements will be there, which are present in A dash or B dash, which are present in A dash or B dash. 0 we took. 3 in B, 3. 4, then common element 5, once we take. 6 we took. 7 common element is there, 7 we took. Now 8 we took. This is A dash union B dash. So if question is given like this, A dash union B dash. So what are we doing? We are having A set, B set. First calculate A dash. Calculate B dash. We did here A dash B dash. Now take their union. Now take their union. Okay. Now verify. Now I'll be doing verification. First verification. A union B equal to B union A. We have to verify this one. So first we'll be doing A union B. We are taking left hand side. Left hand side we took A union B. A union B means the elements which are present in A or B. So start with A, 1, 1. Then it is present in 2. 2 is present here. 2, 3 is present here or here. So we'll be writing 3. Then 4, 5 is not present, 6, 8. This is our A union B. Then right hand side. B union
Sir,
A.
not see properly. Sir, this light is coming here.
Here this light is coming.
Sir, no, sir.
Yes, sir. Here.
Okay, I write below. Okay, so first we are writing left hand side. A union
Sir,
B.
it's
Find
also
A.
not-
Yes. So
Which question are you?
Error.
A union B. We have calculated 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. This is our A union B. Now take right hand side. Right hand side, it will be B union A. We have to find. So again, write the common elements which are present in A or B, which are present in A or B. Again, the answer will be same. Since we are getting the same set.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, which one are you doing?
Fourth, also verify the following.
Sir, there
Okay,
no
fourth.
question is given like this.
Okay. Third A part I did. Okay. 1 minute. Okay.
The right or left hand side.
Okay. See here, A union B we calculated. We have to prove this one. A union B, the whole complement is equal to A dash intersection B dash. We have to prove De Morgan's law. Okay, we have to verify De Morgan's law. So A union B we calculated. Now calculate A union B whole dash. A union B the whole dash. So 1 from the universal set, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. This will be the answer. A union B the whole dash. From the universal set, we will remove the elements of A union B. This is clear. Now take RHS. RHS see here. What you have to calculate? A dash intersection B dash. A dash we already calculated. B dash as well we have calculated. Now the intersection you take. Intersection you take. What will be the intersection? 0, 5, 7. Understood this one? 0, 5, 7. As we are getting the same set, therefore A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. It is verified. Understood this one? So what we did, we calculated A union B, the whole dash we have to calculate. So first we calculated A union B. Then we took its complement. So from universal set, we have removed the elements of A union B. And the answer is 0, 5, 7. 0, 5, 7. Then with A intersection B dash. A dash we have already calculated. B dash as well we have already calculated here and here. Their intersection we are taking. So common elements will be taking 0, 5, 7. Now we can see we are getting the same sets. We are getting the same set. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. And this is proved. This De Morgan's law is proved. Understood this one? Okay. B part you do as homework. B part. Okay, let's do B part as well. In B part, you have to do A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash.
Sir, not
Take,
visible. Section is coming.
okay. Take LHS. Okay, second B part we are doing. Here it is fine. A intersection B, the whole dash. So first we'll be calculating A intersection B. A intersection B is how much? A intersection B. 1, 2, only 1 and 2. 1, 2. These are A intersection B. Now A intersection B, the whole dash. Remove 1 and 2 from universal set. 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the answer. A intersection B, the whole dash. Okay. Now right hand side. That is A dash union B dash. A dash we already calculated. B dash we already calculated. Take their union. 0. Next is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood this one? Now we can see left hand side is same as right hand side. Same set we are getting. Therefore, it is verified. A intersection B, the whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. This is verified. This is clear. Now we do the associative law. Okay. Now we won't require these. So I'm rubbing these. We won't require them. Okay. So first, we have to verify A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. This you have to verify. Okay. Have you got attention here? This you have to verify. Okay. So first, what will be calculating? First, will be finding left hand side. So what will be taking? First, left hand side. A union B intersection C we have to find. Okay. Everyone pay attention here. This we have to find first. Okay. So first we'll be finding what? First we'll be solving the bracket. First we'll be solving the bracket. So B intersection C first we have to find. First we'll be finding B intersection C. So B intersection C 1, 2, 1 and 2. We have calculated intersection B intersection C. Now we'll be taking its union with A. A union B intersection C. This we already calculated, their union will be taken. So 1, 2, 3, 6. That will be the answer. Okay, one minute. It is they C as well, they don't know. 1 minute, I rubbed that. 1 minute, 1 minute. C set. Where is C set? There is no C set given here. Okay, how we are not able, we won't be able to find C set. In question, C set is not provided. So C and D we won't be able to verify here. In this question, fourth question, C and D we won't be able to verify. A set is given, B set is given. C set is not provided.
Sir, C set can be null set.
But it's not provided. We can take either we can take some set. Okay, for example, C here. Okay, I'm taking and proving something. Okay, see here we are taking multiples of 3. So 1 multiples of 9 factors of 9 we are taking 1, 3, 9. For example, C set is 1, 3, 9. Okay, C set is 1, 3, 9. Okay, we are taking C set as factors of 9. Okay, now we'll prove. So first, left hand side. A union, you understand with this. Okay. So first we'll be finding B intersection C. B intersection C, 1, only 1. B intersection is 1. Understood this one? B intersection C we are taking. Now, its union with B, take its union with A. Union with A will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. Understood this one? We got this one? Okay. Now we have to find this one. For this, first we'll be finding A union B. A union B is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. This is our A union B. Then we have to find A union C. A union C equal to how much?
Sir, we have to write this.
Yes, you have to write this one. So see, first we are calculating, we are solving the brackets. With numbers as well, first we solve the brackets. So union B we solved. Now A union C will be solving. A union C will be how much? A union C. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. Understood this one? Now take their intersection. So their intersection will be how much? A union B intersection A union C. These two sets intersection will be taking 1, 2, 3, 6. I mean 9 I forgot. A union B. No 9 is there. A union C. Okay,
So
the
time is
intersection will.
So
Okay,
time
just
is
only
over.
1 minute I'll be taking. There, 9 we won't be getting. A union B intersection C. A. Here no 9 will be there. 1, 2, 3, 6. This will be done. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 6. Understood? Okay. There will be no 9. By mistake I put here 9. Okay. Now you can see they are same set we are getting. Same set we are getting. Hence it is proved. Hence they are verified. You can see same set we are getting. Okay. Make correction here. We won't be getting 9 here. Okay. We won't be getting 9 here. Okay. So same set we are getting. Same set we are getting. Therefore, this this associate distributive law is proved. This is our distributive law. Okay. Next one you can do our intersection. Fifth as well. Can you do? Fifth as well. Okay. Try to solve fifth question. Okay. So we end here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
We
you,
can
sir.
take online class also.
You can take online or offline.